Today, we're going to draw a sweet slice of watermelon. Are you ready? Start with a big triangle for the watermelon. Then add a curved rind. And don't forget a few little seeds. Make the inside bright red, the skin dark green, and the middle stripe creamy yellow. Your watermelon will look super real. Want to try something different? Make it a rainbow watermelon, add heart-shaped seeds, or turn it into a cute popsicle. Great job! Your watermelon looks juicy and adorable. So well done! Even the smallest slice can be full of joy.